Oh, fucking
Yeah.
Oh. What do you say?
Said pears or bears.
Yeah, you used to say pears.
Oh, fuck.
Okay. In today's video, we're gonna do a challenge. As you guys can see, that big huge Rubik's cube, and Garrett's gonna explain what's, how to play this.
So you pick a color, okay? So like say I say white, and if I throw it, and if it landed on white, say it landed on white, I'd have to do the challenge, okay?
What challenge you have to do?
We're gonna go higher and higher up. We're gonna make it worse and worse. So the first challenge,
If you want me to tackle a snake,
if you get it wrong, you have to grab a bug and keep it on your shirt for the rest of the video.
Okay.
Just like that.
Okay, so who's going for me or you?
not you.
Yeah, here.
Just pick the color.
All right, guys, I'm gonna roll this.
What color you pick though?
Huh?
What color you pick though?
What color do you pick?
Hey, gotta pick a color.
What?
Gotta pick a color on there.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, I'm gonna go with.
Okay.
Blue.
Alright.
Damn it. What do I have to do?
No.
You want these?
What? Yeah, sure.
I'm trying to remember myself.
Yeah. If we get it wrong, if we get the color we picked, you fill us up with water and pour it on you.
Okay.
They just gradually get worse. This, you gotta go again.
Okay, here.
You're too shaky.
No, I'm not.
Don't mind me, guys. You zoomed in?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna pick the color green.
Green. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Oh! Fucking
Yeah, did you get that? Yeah. Oh my god. Now it's Deshaun's turn.
And I'm gonna go with green.
Green. Green it is.
Don't throw it down, dude.
Red.
No, go again. Hit the wall. Can't let it hit anything.
Oh, you can't let it hit anything?
Yeah, your color's still the same. Throw it on trampoline. Throw it down. Just throw it up like that. So it's
Okay.
Fuck you, okay.
Just dump it on you. Hey, no, that's cheating. You're supposed to stand straight up and dump it on you. Dump it on you.
Do it. Do it.
Do it for the video.
Oh, sick. Nasty. Why would you dip that in there? That's
You
sick.
You signed up for the video.
Yeah, at least you participated. Go.
It's my turn.
Your turn.
Pick white. Fucking touched it. Now I gotta roll again.
Okay.
It's still white.
Orange. So you're safe. Okay, here, Garrett.
Spaghetti.
Here, Garrett.
You better not be shaky. I'm gonna watch it if it's shaky.
Okay.
You watch this, you don't watch us.
All right. I'm just trying to take a snack break.
It's kind of the same, but this time we're using a plastic bag.
Here you go, Garrett. More Slurpee.
So we're doing the same thing we just did,
What color?
but this time there's more water.
Fuck you. Hurry up!
So
Yeah.
it's the same. So if he gets it wrong, we have more water. That's fucking sick. All right. Color you pick.
Zoomed in, huh?
All right, what color you pick?
I'm gonna go with Red.
Okay. Don't throw it in the water. What is wrong with you?
Okay.
Hey, throw it over there.
Where
It's yellow.
Oh, I'm safe. Watch me now.
No, it's my turn. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Here you go.
Alright. My color.
What color you pick?
No, it's really.
Orange. I got orange. Orange.
I got blue.
Okay. I pick white. Oh! It landed on white.
No, but you didn't even let me announce that. Wait, is that it?
Yeah. It landed on white, Garrett. I picked white and it landed on it.
Yeah, but you didn't let me do the challenge thing.
Okay, I guess I'm not doing the challenge.
So you're re-rolling.
Okay, re-roll. Here, Garrett.
Hold on.
I got.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, so I'm gonna pick.
So this is it. It's the same, but we have a bigger container.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna pick not white this time. I'm gonna go with yellow. Okay, ready? Steady.
Go.
Wait, so when I wait, what color did I pick? Yellow.
Yellow.
Go.
So we're gonna get that.
Yeah, you fill that up with water and pour it on you.
Let's roll. Oh wait, I'm just getting. All right.
Oh, oh, it's red.
Yeah!
It's red.
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry guys, I learned that from.
My color
I'm not gonna
is red.
mention any names, but if you're watching this,
Red.
yeah.
It's picking red.
Let's go.
Fucking land on red. No. My
I
color.
don't care. I just want to pour myself on.
Do you want to roll again?
Yeah.
Okay. Pick 3 colors.
Red, green, and white.
Red, green, and white. Did you land on any of those colors? Okay, you pick 1 color. If it lands on that color, you're safe. Just pick a color.
Green.
Oh, you're fucking safe.
No.
Let's go green. I'm safe.
No,
Fucking
yeah,
touched it.
you have to do the
Nope,
challenge.
touched it.
Nope, you have to do it.
All right, we're doing it again,
Come
so
on.
everyone roll again.
Go.
Green.
Lands on green.
Nope. I'm just gonna.
All right, go do it. Is he actually, guys, gonna? If he does it, guys, you have to drop a like and subscribe.
What?
Nothing. Oh, yeah, you have to stand up straight. You can't be over the pool.
I'm just putting it up a little bit in here.
No, you have to fill it up.
Happy.
Oh,
What?
is he gonna do it, or is he just gonna let it spill out? Backing up.
I'm taking my shoes off.
He's actually gonna do it.
You don't have to fill it back up. It keeps emptying it. Fill it back up.
I just cannot believe this guy drank the water that we swam in.
Yeah.
Stop zooming in.
Okay. I got you.
This thing zooms in, huh?
No.
Okay, he's gonna do it. Do it. Come on.
You let it empty out too much. All right.
Come on. Stop jumping. What did you pick? God. What the hell? I just wanted you to do it. It's one of the challenges. But if he wasn't jumping, you would have got it.
Turn. And if we land on the color we pick, we have to jump in the pool.
Oh, jeez. Is it my turn? Okay, here.
Oh, that'd be crazy if you had to jump in, dude.
If I have to jump in, I'll do it for you two.
Alright.
I'll do it for you guys, so.
it's mostly been him getting wet.
Alright.
Loser!
Alright.
Yeah.
Loser!
Okay, so I'll pick yellow.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh. Oh.
My turn, my turn, my turn!
Okay, guys, we're gonna do this off camera. We're gonna have some fun with this.
No, hold up. Let the turn finish and then we're done.
Okay, do it, Nishan. Come on.
I did green. No, I want to roll again.
Oh my god. Is he actually gonna do it?
Wait, are you actually gonna do it? But what the hell?
Are you actually? No, dude.
This
He's
guy,
actually gonna do it. What a beast.
man, look at this guy. He's gonna jump in. Last time you made him mad, you were spraying him with the hose.
If you actually do it, I'll give him $2 right now if he
Oh
jumps in.
no.
You've got
Do
this.
it right now and you get these $2.
Oh, what's 3? 2.
1.
You actually did it.
Hell yeah, bro. I never let down the fence. See that,
Damn. This guy's a savage. All right, guys. Huh?
Blue.
You're gonna do it?
Well, it hasn't been my turn yet.
Okay, your turn. Then the video's done.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, just go. Just go.
Blue.
Oh!
Go, I'll jump in with you. I'll jump in with you.
You gotta do it, Garrett.
Girl, I'll jump in with you.
Dude.
Girl, I'll jump in with you.
You got blue.
You got your turn? Come on, buddy.
I got this.
Damn, I cannot believe you should have picked a different color, man.
Let's go.
Garrett picked blue and it landed on blue, so he's gonna have to jump in the water like Nishan. So
I never let down the fan.
go subscribe to his channel because he's doing this for you guys.
And subscribe to me.
Make some hair real quick, and there we go.
You got this.
Jump right over.
Garrett just said he's gonna jump right over. So you got this.
Come on, Garrett. It's not that cold.
Man, go subscribe to his channel and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.
Baby girl, you're my thing. The way you backing it up, the way you messing it up, the way we laugh at our things. Oh no, I cannot complain now. Oh no, I cannot complain now.